Do you ever have a granny square or a motif that you want to join to, say, a blanket or a cushion or whatever, and you're just not quite sure how to do that? Stay with me to watch how I do this. Hi, my name is Lindy, and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. I want to show you today how I surface join a motif, or in this case my sunburst granny square, to this bag. What I've done is I've used the same yarn as I use for the main bag, and then I've attached it to the stitches at the bottom and created a chain stitch on the edges, which makes a really attractive pattern. You can even attach your granny squares to commercially made blankets, so you could buy a blanket, make some granny squares and put them on as a pattern, just to make it a little more interesting, and it's a lot less work. I'm going to link the sling bag at the end of this video to show you how I made the whole bag. Let me show you how I surface join this sunburst granny square onto my bag. Please let me know if you have any comments. So we're going to line these up like this. We're now sewing this granny square to the base of our bag. We're going to be attaching to the top of the double crochet so that we're covering the single crochet. You put your hook in at this angle, you go into the next stitch, pick that up, go underneath to the double crochet, pick up one of the stitches at the top of the double crochet, yarn over, loop through that stitch and the next stitch. So you've got two threads. We're now at the end of the third row, so we're going down here, across and up, and this is where we're going to be able to keep things. So to finish, we go into this stitch here, we catch the underneath double crochet, and then we're going to connect it like we did on this side here. So we're going to go up to here first, and all you need to do really is make sure that it's looking similar. So we go into the corner here, which is this chain stitch here. We're going to catch it in here. And then we're going to tighten it up on this last one here in the corner. You just want to make sure it's tight on the corner. It doesn't really have to be too perfect. Remember, this is handmade. There we go. And now we're going to sew this back on the other side. So we'll sew it back on the other side, and this is now the end of our first side, and we're going to complete this side next. So we're going to start at this top corner. We're going to be using the same crochet hook as we used to make the sunburst granny square. So we start by securing it at the corner. We go into the top here, now we pick up a stitch, and I pick up the back stitch, and then I go into this double crochet, picking up one stitch of the double crochet. So just to show you what I'm picking up, we've got our little V stitches here. We're going to take the back stitch. We're going to then go into the row below the single crochet, and there's the double stitches here. And you can pick up any one of these stitches in the double crochet. There are 3, and you can pick any one of those up. So we pick up that stitch here, and then we pick up a double crochet. Pull the 2 through and over loop. Next stitch into the back, pick up the double crochet, so there we can see the little pattern that's forming. We've got the stitching we're doing here, and we've kept this front stitch to give it another row of line, and just behind it we've got the single, so they're all lining up nicely. Now when we get to the corner, we're going to do the same, securing into the corner. We go into this loop here, go into the corner, into the next loop, which is this one here, back into that corner. The corners are always the areas that get the most wear and tear. Into here, and then back into this. There I've actually caught 2 stitches, which is also fine. So we can see the line here, which is the front of the stitch we've left behind. We've caught the back to make this cable stitch here, and we've left this little space. This gives a little bit of a reveal so we can see this sits up. My name is Lindy, and thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how I surface joined this particular granny square, sunburst granny square, onto my little sling bag, please like and subscribe, and you'll be notified when my next is available. Take care and bye.